मुझसे है नीर गगन, मुझसे है अग्नि पवन, जीवन की मैं आकृति हूँ, मैं प्रकृति हूँ। अंधेरा होने से पहले जगना और जगाना होगा। जीवन को अगर जिंदा रखना है तो मुझे बचाना होगा, बचाना होगा।
Welcome back. You are watching Bangalore at 9. The second edition of the Bangalore Fashion Week started today. This is a forum for designers to showcase their talent and increase outsourcing opportunities. However, several prominent people in the industry think otherwise. Mary Shea and Venkatesh Nayak tell us how.
Indian fashion designers at the Bangalore Fashion Week feel that it is a good platform in terms of outsourcing.
See, Bangalore is a very nice hub for it. Like, we get very much national and international good Cosmo crowd here. So I feel my collection is for them only, very casual wear. So I have kept that in mind and made my collection. So I feel I get a good response of it.
Luxurious brands feel that it is the best time to showcase the collection instead of releasing in the lean period of the economy.
Bangalore has a lot of high net worth individuals, which is what our client profile is. They have people with high disposable income, with growing sources of income, and people who really have started developing the taste for luxurious brands. So we're hoping that the reactions will be positive.
Outsourcing for some designers is still a very early concept, and it needs to mature before it makes any impact on the Indian market.
They're more like extended weekends where people come to party, enjoy, and maybe, as a side effect, have some collections looked over. But there's not much of seriousness around these kind of events. I just wish, they're more on the lines of the international fashion weeks, where it is more of a buyer-seller meet, as in where the designers bring their own collections, the buyers are there, and the business actually happens, which unfortunately I don't think is really happening in these kind of fashion weeks in India.
Bangalore designers and international labels here at Bangalore Fashion Week feel that they will have a good response in terms of outsourcing. But with the lukewarm response last year, it's too early to say that they will have a good response this year. With Venkatesh Nayak, this is Mary Shea for IIJNN.
Today at the Nirmal Gram Puraskar function held at Raj Bhavan, all 40 Gram Panchayats of Bangalore Rural were awarded for maintaining 100% sanitation. With inputs from Raisin George and Shraddha Mohanty, Karthik Sharma reports.
40 Gram Panchayats of Bangalore Rural were awarded by the Governor of Karnataka for maintaining 100% sanitation. The awards were distributed at Raj Bhavan. 245 out of 1000 entries were awarded Nirmal Gram Puraskar under the Total Sanitation campaign.
We were successful. We applied for 40 Nirmal Gram Puraskars, and all the 40 have been declared as Nirmal Gram. So in each of these panchayats we can see that 100% all the households have their own toilets. Everybody has access to the household toilet, to their toilets.
There is almost a 50% decline in the numbers of awards given this year. This can be attributed to the strict implementation of rules.
ನಮ್ಮ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಪಂಚಾಯತಿಯ ನಮ್ಮ ತಾಲೂಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ 12 ಮತ್ತೆ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯಲ್ಲೇ 40 ಗ್ರಾಮ ಪಂಚಾಯತಿ ಪುರಸ್ಕಾರ ಸಿಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರ ಒಂದು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ನಮ್ಮ ಗ್ರಾಮಾಂತರ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ಮಂಜುಳಾ ಮೇಡಂನವರೇ ಕಾರಣ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಸಿಒ ಮಂಜುಳಾ ಮೇಡಂನವರೇ ಕಾರಣ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳೋಕೆ ತಯಾರಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
But there are a few panchayats who believe that they were not awarded even if they put in more hard work than the others. They believe that there is a flaw in the evaluation process.
ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಒಬ್ಬರೊಬ್ಬರು ಹೋಗಿ ಪುರಸ್ಕಾರ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ
Although these panchayats got award for total sanitation, but the real situation in panchayats is something different.
Coming up shortly, the Indian team for the first test against South Africa has been announced. The latest gadget to enter the market is the Apple iPad. Let's see what the industry has to say. But before that, we'll slip into a short break. Stay tuned.